Hello everyone, I am Shobha Christilla from the Department of Biomedical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. I am going to talk about the topic artificial pancreas. Let's get into the topic. What is an artificial pancreas? An artificial pancreas is a system made of three parts that work together to mimic how a healthy pancreas controls blood glucose, also called blood sugar, in the body. An artificial pancreas is mainly used to help people with type 1 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the pancreas does not produce insulin. People with type 1 diabetes control their blood glucose level by checking it and taking insulin, either by injection or through an insulin infusion pump several times a day. An artificial pancreas automatically monitors your blood glucose level, calculates the amount of insulin your body needs, and delivers it. Most artificial pancreas systems require you to count and enter the amount of carbohydrates you consume at mealtime. These are called hybrid artificial pancreas systems because some of the insulin is given automatically and some is given based on the information you enter. These systems help control blood glucose levels throughout the body, making it easier for people with type 1 diabetes to keep their blood glucose level in range. Keeping blood glucose level in range will prevent other health problems from developing and may improve daily life for people with type 1 diabetes. How do artificial pancreas work? Three devices make up an artificial pancreas system. The first one, a continuous glucose monitor. It tracks blood glucose levels every few minutes using a tiny sensor that is inserted under the skin. The sensor wirelessly sends the information to a program stored on a smartphone or an insulin infusion pump. The program calculates how much insulin is needed and signals the insulin infusion pump when insulin needs to be delivered. The insulin infusion pump will deliver small doses of insulin throughout the day when blood glucose levels are not in your target range. There are different types of infusion pumps. One type of pump is worn outside the body, on a bilge, or in a pocket or a pouch. Insulin flows from the pump through a plastic tube that connects to a smaller tube called a catheter, which has a needle that is inserted under the skin and stays in place for several days. Another type of pump attaches directly to the skin with an adhesive pad and gives insulin through a catheter inserted under the skin. This kind of pump is replaced every few days. The different types of artificial pancreas systems: automated insulin delivery system, closed loop system, bionic pancreas. The different types of artificial pancreas systems: threshold suspend and predictive suspend systems, insulin only systems, dual hormone systems. Types of artificial pancreas: threshold suspend and predictive suspend systems. The threshold suspend system stops delivering insulin when your blood glucose level drops to a preset level. The predictive suspend system calculates your blood glucose level and will stop delivering insulin before your blood glucose level gets too low. Neither system automatically increases insulin doses. Stopping insulin delivery at the right moment can help a person with type 1 diabetes avoid low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. Insulin only system. Insulin only system keeps your blood glucose level within your target range by automatically increasing or decreasing the amount of insulin delivered to your body based on your CGM values. Dual hormone systems. Researchers are currently developing and testing the systems that uses two hormones, insulin to lower glucose levels and glycogen to raise blood glucose levels using hormones to control blood glucose is similar to the way the pancreas works in people who do not have diabetes. These systems may be able to tightly control glucose levels, which causes hypoglycemia. Bioartificial pancreas. A novel bioartificial pancreas is developed for islet transplantation. Islets are encapsulated in core shell microgels and are pre-vascularized scaffolds. Core shell microgels offers favorable microenvironments and immune protection. Vascular network induced by pre-vascularized scaffolds supplies oxygen and nutrition. Bioartificial pancreas regulates blood glucose level effectively in diabetes models. So these are some of the diagrams which show the bioartificial pancreas. Benefits of artificial pancreas technology: improved glucose control, reduced hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia, less psychological and regimen burden, better quality of life, remote monitoring. Demerits: it requires user engagement, cost and accessibility, technical issues, mealtime challenges, sensory accuracy and interference, skin irritation, system limitations. Future scope: broader clinical adaptation, enhanced AI driven algorithms, miniaturization, the development of bihormonal systems, expanding use to diverse patient populations. Thank you.